I'd like this to work, that's what I'd like to have happen. That's, what?
Didn't you say you did this on a job about 16 months ago?
We had a very one job, where we had to play around with different materials, but we didn't have the same materials.
15 minutes, right, Judge?
Well, we had minis and I don't like that. You got that? This Spalding I saw in the other room, or whatever you may call it, what is the cause of that? Where the prep was done in this other room right here, and there's some areas that have not been prepped yet? The top of the concrete?
That was just a breathing finishing issue that we just
Okay.
put Arbex concrete.
I personally did not like any of the three of those right there. Sure you can. I mean, and listen, there's two ways this is possible. Somebody would have had to sprinkle that or sweep it to that area, or it's coming off the top. I don't know which, but I mean, there's a lot of stuff right there. It's almost like I don't understand. Pity. Just came up like this.
The other way was like that.
Yeah, see, this glue right here, boy. So this is all coming from this area right here.
Yeah. 15, 30.
Somebody have a 5-in-1 tool with them? Jason.
I don't have a
No, I don't think it's pitted. But you see those dark marks right there? You see that dark mark right there?
Yeah, it's concrete.
Well, I can follow that dark mark all the way down. You see that? I don't know what that means. I have no idea. You see that dark mark right there? All right, Tim, do you see this piece right here?
Yeah.
You see it? See, I can follow that into the concrete.
It looks like a...
What's been on this floor that would cause this white, or Tim, is this something that's indicative of the product? This white?
It doesn't look like it was... That's where I was saying about the prep. I think it's...
Well, I can tell you
It looks
this.
like paint or something to me.
Well, I can't get it off the slab. And if I can't get it off of the slab with that, a sandpaper's not gonna do it. That is in the concrete. That might have been there when it was poured. All right,
Well,
so
go over
right
and
now,
pull the
right now
existing
where
slab.
I am in, I'm comfortable, I'm okay with this. And it would be the wet V82, and I'm okay with the Eco 711. I did not like any of what I saw in the Nora products, but that product is not made for a non-porous floor. I'm not really satisfied with anything I got here. If I had to choose, if you were gonna say to me, I have to make a decision today on what it was gonna be, I'd go with a 30-minute, but I'm concerned at how little transfer I got here. Now, what's interesting is if you look at this one, I don't know why, but it does not have near the black marks that does. But I have no transfer in a lot of areas. And what we're really trying to do is to get to this point right here. But Tim, if you guys will, if you'll take care of the bond, well, these are the same.
Yeah,
both
is there Ardex under that?
Yeah, Arctic.
There's Ardex right there.
Yeah, so it doesn't look like.
Good spot to put it, we can check the system and pull it up.
Everything, all the glue pulled up off of the Ardex.
I'm satisfied with the Ardex we did over here with the primer. And we looked at that. If you guys want to look at that, we'll look at that, but I'm satisfied with that. If you wanted to warrant the bond right here, Tim, this is the one I would say would be most logical, but I didn't like how it pulled.
Well, that's your call. I mean, you make the call on the adhesion. I mean, you're, in essence, you're speaking for Nora on these things, or which one was that one over there, Forbo?
That's a Forbo.
Forbo.
Well, I know
I
what
mean,
Forbo
you did the
says.
prep, you did the, thing, it's your call on. I mean, if you don't think that's gonna pass on your normal prep, then I wouldn't pass it, to be quite honest with you. But it's your call.
Let's
I mean, I
go
just came
look
down
at
and
the existing building.
That's what I just said earlier.
Like I said, this one's the only one that we did, it tells you they got suited for trial.
And that glue right there, we've had success with.